welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will interview my friend about agriculture. Okay, enjoy the next video.
Hi Dini.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, I will interview about agriculture. One question: how to important is farming in your country?
Import procedure have been regulated in the law, one of which is regulation of the Minister of Trade number 1 of 2018 concerning provision for the export and import of rice.
Okay, the next question: is farming in your country in a healthy condition?
I think yes, because Indonesia is known as an agricultural country with fertile soil.
Okay, next: what crops are farmed in your country?
Various kinds of plants are cultivated in Indonesia, including food crops, horticultural crops, and plantation crops.
What livestock is raised in your country?
In Indonesia, various types of livestock are cultivated, which are divided into 3 types, namely large livestock such as dairy cows, small livestock such as goats, and poultry such as chicken.
Okay, do you think farming offers a good quality of life?
Of course, agriculture is a sector that will always be needed and plays an important role in a country.
How different is farming across the world?
I think every country must have its own characteristic, commodities, and advantages.
Okay, what do you think of farming GM crops?
My opinion is that genetically modified crops have positive and negative impacts, where GM crops are the answer to hunger and malnutrition, but the negative impact of these crops can affect human health.
Okay, next. How can subsistence farming become more profitable?
The advantage of subsistence farming allow people to produce their own food, so they are not dependent on outside food supplies. This can help reduce dependence on food imports and strengthen a region's food security.
Okay, next question. What do you think of the intensive farming methods used in rich country?
Intensive agriculture practice include market gardening, plantation agriculture, and mixed farming or livestock system. My opinion, intensive agriculture practice have both positive and negative impacts, allowing agriculture to keep up with population growth, but can be very harmful to the environment.
Okay, last question. Do you think the farming of crops for biofuels is a good idea?
Biofuels play an important role as a subsistence energy source for fossil fuels in an use sector, industry, transportation, and buildings. Biofuel also contribute to the balance of meeting grid needs with a high share of variable renewables such as solar PV and wind.
Okay, thank you, Dini. Hi, Dini.
Hello.
I want to interview again.
Yes.
Okay, number 1. What are the challenges the farming industry face today?
The current agriculture challenges in Indonesia are uncertain climate change and food import problems.
Okay, the next question. Does farming help or add to global warming?
Of course, agriculture activities have advantages and disadvantages. The drawback is that agriculture can cause greenhouse gas emissions. For example, in livestock manure which produce methane gas. The advantage is that agriculture is a source of food for human life.
Okay, number 3. Would you like to be a farmer?
Of course you can, because agriculture is an important factor in the foundation of economic resilience.
Okay, do you think we could save the world if we all went back to farming?
Of course, because agriculture is a source of food security for humans, where humans are the actor in carrying out economic activities.
Okay, next question. Are you interested in farming news?
Very interested. With the news, you can really find out about agricultural development in the world.
Would you prefer to work in dairy farming or arable farming?
I think I prefer arable farm.
What do you know about factory farming?
Livestock farming is one part of agriculture, namely the activity of raising and breeding livestock.
Does farming help preserve the countryside?
Correctly, agriculture is an activity that utilizes natural resources. This is the same as nature conservation activities.
Do you think government should action more organic farming?
I agree if the government implements organic farming because in this way agriculture can continue to be used sustainably.
What do you understand by the term urban farming?
Urban farming is farming that utilizes limited available land. For example, urban farming uses hydroponics and aquaponics as one of its cultivation activities.
Okay, thank you, Dini. See you the next time. Bye. Okay guys, I think this video is enough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. See you the next video.